Okay, so if you watch the base plate one, I'm now going to do the one which is a column, and the column is shown as a 4" by 3" column, so you can convert that to 101.6 by 76.2 millimeters, and the flanges are 1/4 inch, which is 6.4 by 5/16, which is 7.9. The web is the bit in the middle, and the flange are the two edge bits. So let's start by putting a box here which is the size. So create reference plane, so the whole height of the column is 101.6. Click on there, 101.6, and the width here, I'll zoom in a bit so I can get the width here, is 76.2. So there's a number of ways you can do with it. Basically we're creating an eye section which is going to look like this. So there's each flange is 7.9. So this bit here would be 7.9. And this bit here, there would be 7.9. So you can see the two there, and then you've got a center line here that you want. So halfway through 76.5. Let's put that out there, 76.2, sorry, divided by 2 is 38.1. So if we went down here, this would be 38.1 to make the center, and the web thickness is 6.4, so half of 6.4 is 3.2. So create a reference plane again. So down here, this number here would be 3.2. And we did another line on this side. That one there would be 3.2. So I've chosen to do it that way. You could have a list of numbers and do it like I've done before, but now I'm quite happy I know where all these lines are. So I'd now do create an extrusion by this line and start, say, here, there, 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 and round this template I've made. Now some of our sections have radiuses and fillets in here. You don't need to worry about this for this exercise. Most British Standard columns you'd actually be pulling from a library. This is just showing you how to create one from scratch. Click the button. Now if you look at this number here, we know it's on a 10mm end plate, so we want it to be 10mm, and it's a metre long, so it would be 1 metre and 10mm high. So I then went to the front. I'm expecting to see something which, let's have a look, if I zoom in, might look like a column. Yeah, double escape, let's have a look in 3D. I'm expecting to see something like this. I'm expecting that to be a metre long. Lots of construction lines, so it's difficult to see. That should be 10mm and that should be a metre. So just check what I've drawn. That's a metre. And then if I came down to this one, that's a metre and 10. Yep. So that's okay. So now I've created a column. Just like on the base plate, if we do file save as, this is a family. And give this one a name. So that's column 4 by 3 by 1000. Save. So I've now got those two done.